it is.
With the Holly. And you know the third. Get it poppin'. I'm from the R.O. Capital C. They call me J.E. 3. I gotta put it in. Cause I'm from the rock. We gotta hold it down in this very spot. You never ever heard rappers from the rock except for that nigga Lane Dream dropping. That nigga from the rock, but he don't rep it. He moved to ATL and he soul stepping. He think he go hard, but I go harder. I'm going to the block and I'ma take your daughter. I'm gonna pull up in the 3. Got the 3 Series and it's sitting mean. I ain't got no rims on it cause I'm straight stock. And I roll through the block and I get it hot. My daddy is a cop, but it don't matter. I'm on the straight end, fucking narrow. Graduated this spring and I'm crossing the team and I'm getting it in. You know my face is mean.
His face is mean. Do not fuck with my team. You treated mean. Niggas sipping on that lean. Got the motherfucking piff in my pocket. Niggas still be getting high, we can't stop it. Gotta get super high till we die. Niggas know I keep that fire. Hit me up, you got it. Yeah, I got it. Niggas know the gun is in my pocket. Anyway, we in the Ville, man. My looks are kill. Yeah, Sinead in the back, posted up. Nigga fuck with us, nigga get roasted up. Burnt with the burner. I'm the one that got it.
Okay.
It's back to round 3. And I'm back. They call it fight night. And I throw them back. I hit you with the left. Cross you with the right. I hit your lights out. Good night. I'm like Young Money. I gotta put it down. I'm like Nicki M. We gonna get it down. I like your booty, girl. Even though it's fake, I don't give a damn. Your ass takes the cake.
They call me Young D.I. Don Vito, reppin' Maryland, and you know I'm all about my skilo. And I get that money, and we get it poppin'. And you know we whip the Acuras, call them droppin'. And you know we whippin' all black, Green Lantern. And we in the building, P.O. while we fucking standing. And we beating down drums like we beating walls. And we knock these bitches down cause we skeet them all.
I got round 4, some more. I'm about to make it short, so you just know everything I say, everything I mean. I'm a literal boy, my swag is mean. I'm about to lay it down, real nice and slow. Like genuine, I let the ponies know. Baby girl, get it, my boy gon' get it in. John B. Holly, he gon' get it in.
Yeah, I'm from Elm Hill. Yeah, Bert T. Fuck up your mouth, ain't talking hurt fees. Nigga, keep it good, keep it with my niggas. Yanking on the trigger, shooting at your feet. I be hopping like tickets. Niggas know I'm stacking them figures. Some shit.
You fucking idiot. On that!
Somebody hold on my mic.
I'm gonna bring back in. Now, I need you to get on the record. I'm gonna bring him in. They call him D.I. from the M.D. Glenn Burney, and he got it mean. I got that swag from him, cause he enhanced mine. He's the original, and I got time. I'm gonna bring him in real fast, like the way I pull off. Real fast, like I'm hitting 200. My car registered, and I gotta do it. You ready, girl?
Cause I'm chillin' like on the promenade. Ralph Lauren #5, feeling so right. And it's on my back, cause you know I get it right. Drop 100 stacks, man, you know it's tonight. And I'm about to pass the mic. Q-side swag, and you know you looking right. Okay. I knew. Get it, T.A.
Hold on. We got the noobs here.
EA!
They getting in.
EA!
From the EA.
Yo!
Swag is mean.
Okay.
They call it yo-yo, they make the twains go.
No.
And when the chicks come in, he gonna let them show.
Man, I let them show. Bad bitches gotta grow. If you fucking pretty, you know you gotta have a pretty toe. Bad bitches afro. Fuck them on the fucking low. Gotta nuke my same number. Call that nigga Angelo. Man, I'm an athlete. Ballin' on and off the field. You know the kid be fucking true, but I'ma fucking keep it real. Man, I'm on this weed. Sometimes I pop off on that X pill. Then I make the QB take a fucking kneel. Just won the game, man. I'm in the Hall of Fame, but I don't play no games. But I got that fucking frame. Bitches keep my name out your motherfucking mouth.
Mouth.
I can unbutton your motherfucking blouse.
Blouse.
Yeah, John B and Don Vito.
Hey.
Catch my niggas in the trap, ripping up the kilos.
Kilos.
Gotta fucking get them off.
Get 'em.
Letting off them packs. Niggas see me ride through with the deuces on the act. Bitches loaded like it, but anyway I strike it. See your bad bitch, ain't no choice, I gotta pipe it. Pipe the bitch down, let her know I got that big shit. Yeah, I got that big dick. Bitch, come get a lick. Niggas tryna hit a lick. Niggas wanna handle it. Niggas fucking with me, then I gotta fucking handle it. Got the fucking gun with the hammer.
Okay. You fucking with your boy, I go and get the dogs on you. Not talking about the DOG dogs on you. I'm talking about the DA, WG. Man, them niggas going out, all on the team. And I'm about to pass the mic. Q dogs, man, you know they looking right. Pause. And you know I'm about to get it right. And you know we looking Levi so right.
You don't need a pause, cause it's not gay. I know I'm looking right all day. It's okay that you wanna look at me. It's way. I say okay. I'm like the little rascal. I gotta get it in. I'm like alfalfa. My dick's
Acapella.
poking in.
Okay.
I don't need no beat. You know I'm going in. Q side till I die.
Hey!
Get it in.